Recessions destroy the middle class, but the rich? They thrive. Here are 20 ways the wealthy get richer while everyone else struggles. 1. Buy stocks on sale. 2. Snatch up real estate cheap. 3. Acquire struggling businesses. 4. Private equity gobbles everything. 5. Buy gold and assets at low prices. 6. Get ultra-low interest loans. 7. Tax breaks for the rich. 8. Pay less for labor. 9. Invest in startups cheap. 10. Profit from inflation later. 11. Short the market for quick cash. 12. Buy crypto during panic. 13. Cut expenses while others suffer. 14. Get government bailouts. 15. Hire top talent cheap. 16. Buy distressed luxury goods. 17. Manipulate media narratives. 18. Fund political influence. 19. Expand business while others shrink. 20. Wait it out and cash in big. Recessions make the rich richer, and the poor? Well, you already know. Want to play smarter? Hit that like and subscribe.